Well, welcome gang, David Rice here. Hey, I just want to do this quick clip to show everybody how the enrollment process works for Fuel Legacy International. Now the first thing you want to note is up here in the top right hand corner of the sign in page that you're on, you want to make sure that that reads presented by, and you have the person's name that sent you this information in that box. What you want to do next is go to the top bar here, and in this last tab right here where the pointer's at, it has enroll. So we'll scroll up to there, we'll click on enroll, and that's going to take you to a new page where you can sign up for free as a Fuel Legacy IBO. That's an independent business owner. Okay, so in this new distributor information box, this is pretty self-explanatory. This first highlighted yellow box is asking for your first name and your last name. Now you're only required to fill out the boxes that have the little red asterisk. Even though you see a company name, social security number, and date of birth, at this point in time it's not necessary for you to put that information in this box. Okay, so billing and shipping information is the next box down. Again, it's only important that you fill out the red asterisk boxes. Now the left hand side of this column is for your billing information. When you begin to purchase the Fuel Legacy product, we're going to assume that you're going to pay with a credit card. So it's important that you put the actual address that your credit card bill comes to. So if you're shipping to P.O. Box, that goes in the bill street. Obviously the company, if you're an American, is going to be USA. You put your postal code in, and then once you come down here to click on your bill city, when you click on that, it'll automatically pre-fill in the city, the state, and the county that you reside in. It takes care of that for you. Now over here on the right hand column, this is your ship to information. Now the product, once you start ordering, will come to you via UPS. So UPS does not deliver to a P.O. box. So it's important that you put your physical address here where you want the product physically shipped to. You can ship to your work environment or your home address, whatever you prefer. Again, fill out this information, the shipping street, obviously the country. Once you put the coastal code in, when you click on the ship city to fill that in, the system will automatically take over and plug in the precise information there. So that's all taken care of for you. Now we're going to scroll down to the next box in the sign up sheet, and that is contact information. Now again, you only need to fill out the red asterisk boxes, which are your home. Now this is your phone number, home phone number, and an email address in this colored box down here. So put a valid email address in, one that you want to use. Okay, now the next box down here is going to ask you for your replicated site URL. Alright, and once you sign up, you're going to receive your own replicated site free. It's part of the company, and the base address will be www.fuellegacy.com / and then you want to put some kind of a catchy name in this box here. Okay, so come up with something like get better mileage, boost your fuel economy. Come up with something that you think is catchy. This particular address will be what you'll pass out on your business cards, you give out to friends via emails, etc. So come up with something, spend a little time, think about this, and come up with something catchy. Once you fill this box in, you're going to be stuck with that name. So make sure that you come up with something that you like. Now once you've done that, to be able to log into your back office and utilize your free replicated site, keep track of the customers that you place, the amount of money that you're making, etc., you're going to need to develop a password. Now, extranet password, which is this box here, is the site that houses your back office, and they're going to ask you for a password and to retype the password. Again, whatever you put in here, make sure it's something that you want to utilize as a password. It'll be a permanent password. And my suggestion to you is, in this this area here, make sure that you copy this down, make a hard copy, just make a note. The company's going to send you a follow-up email, but just make a note. And then also on the name up above, I would suggest that you make a note of what name you use, just so that you have a hard copy. Now moving quickly down to the next box. This is your enrollment options box. Okay, enrollment options box. And now what you have here is the option to immediately begin purchasing the Fuel Legacy product. But if you are just looking to get signed up for free, to get on board for free and buy later, or you have somebody that's going to send you a free sample to trial, come all the way down to the bottom of the box here and click on and highlight this "Not at this time." This essentially will let you enroll for free. The next box down is the terms and conditions box. It's important that you take a minute or two of your time and scroll through all of these terms and conditions and read over the agreement, just like with any agreement. Make sure you fully understand. Then once you come to that point, you want to click this box here, and then at the very bottom here is going to have a continue bar. Okay, since I am not enrolling a physical person, what will happen is once you hit the continue box, the next box that will pop up on your screen will be an auto ship options box. Now essentially this is a way, if you're on board, you're ready to start receiving monthly auto ships, you have a couple of options there. You can receive either a 3-pack or a 5-pack on auto ship on a monthly. But in the very bottom of that auto ship options, you'll have a no button. So again, if you're looking to start free right now, highlight the no button and then click through from there. Once that happens, you'll come to an order confirmation box. Now the order confirmation basically will show you your totals. So if you did order some product, it will show you the exact totals, the amount that you're paying, the amount of shipping, and give you the exact totals. Obviously, if you're signing up for free, those totals will read 00, and you'll have no obligation. Then you have the option at the bottom of that box to hit Finish Enrollment. So you'll want to click on the Finish Enrollment bar. It'll take you into a brand new page, and the top headline up here will read Enrollment Complete. And then it'll have a congratulations, welcoming you on board, and at that point in time it'll give you your distributor number and the password that you chose. Now you will want to copy these down, and you also have the option right there to print this page, so you may want to do that. Just print it out on your computer to have it for future reference. And be aware that the company is going to send you an auto-responder confirmation, which will have all this information also, but this is just double redundancy here so that you make sure you have it all. And then at the very bottom of that new box, you're going to see of the Enrollment Complete box, at the very bottom down here, there'll be a little tab and it'll say Log On to Extranet. Now, once you click into that, that'll take you directly to a login page, and this is where you access your back office. This is where you're going to put your distributor number or business name, which are the same, and your password in to be able to log into your back office. Now it's important that you bookmark this page, because this will be this place where you always access your back office. So bookmark that, put that in your favorite spot so that you can come back to your back office at will. And then once you're logged into your back office, there's a myriad of different features back there, but we'll save that for another video. So again, I hope this presentation on how to set up your Fuel Legacy account has been beneficial. If you have any questions regarding any of the information provided here, by all means, pick up the phone and call the person that sent you the email, or send them an email with your questions and get those answered before you go any further. Okay. Thanks. This is David Rice, and thanks for joining me on this short clip about how to sign up for Fuel Legacy.